Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the turbot fish in Heartopia. This fish has a really unique shape like this. It's so unique fish and with the unique pattern like this. And to catch it, you need to go to the sea fishing event. You can join the sea fishing event that hosted by Bill at the fishing village to get this fish, and then this fish can appear all day and almost all weather at the sunny, rainy, or rainbow. So just join the sea fishing event at the fishing village. This one. Just join this event, and if you want a higher chance to get it, you can use Fish Attractor or maybe Mermaid Perfume to increase rare fish spawn rate. And then just keep fishing patiently and you will eventually get this turbot. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.